Hello everyone, this is episode 2 of Rebuilding the Panthers. I signed a free agent off camera here. He's a lineman. We gave him a 2-year deal. He is 33 and is in okay condition. Now it's time to play against the Rams in week 2. Was pure luck.
Way down we go. So way down we go. Way down we go. Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And way down we go. Way down we go. So way down we go. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the folk who my, do you dare to look me right in the eyes? Yeah.
Butterfingers.
Oh, 'cause say we run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down till you fall. And then we run you down till you go. Yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where down we go. Where down we go. Say where down we go. So way down we go. Way down we go. Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve?
About a turn into Mahomes.
Oh, we get what we deserve. And way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. So way
Game-winning
down
field
we
goal.
go. Way down we go. Whoa, you let your
We finally got our first win, and hopefully we'll do it again against Tampa Bay next week. See ya.